Hello class, today we're going to be using the Spanish Grammar Context website to get some examples on how to use adjectives and maybe some adverbs. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to grammar.spanishandtexas.org. Show you the website. This is the website grammar.spanishandtexas.org. Once you are here, you're going to find the adjectives, adverbs, conjunctions, determiners, negation, nouns, prepositions, pronouns. Make sure that you go ahead and click the adjectives tab. As we have gone over in class, an adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. The major differences between adjectives in Spanish and in English concern agreements and placement. In Spanish, an adjective is usually placed after the noun and modifies, though there are exceptions such as numbers and must agree in gender and number with the noun. In English, an adjective usually comes before the noun and modifies and is invariable. That is, it does not agree in the example below. Know how the adjective limpia follows noun persona, but the adjective ocho precedes the noun años. We're going to use this as an example right now, and I want you guys to keep in mind how this is used, okay? Teníamos que rotar para lavar la cocina, dejar la cocina impecable porque mi mamá era una persona muy limpia y a los 8 años me dijo: hijita, feliz cumpleaños, tienes 8 años y hoy ya puedes participar en la rotación. We had to rotate to clean the kitchen, to leave the kitchen impeccable, because my mom was a very clean person, and at age 8 she told me, my little girl, happy birthday. You're 8 years old today, and you can now participate in the rotation. I want you guys to take account and to make sure to list off the differences between adjectives and adverbs, because this will come up later on in the semester, and I want you to be ready. We're going to go back into the home page, and it is your responsibility to go over adverbs and conjunctions, because we will be talking about them later on in the next class. Have a good one, okay? And I'll see you all in the next class.